我哋 unbox 呢個 February box of Japan crate すごい premium. This is the most expensive box from this subscription.
How much is it?
I don't remember, but I think originally $35 US per month. I think I pay nothing. I just pay for the shipping for this sample box. And it's look, ooh. It's packed. I see Pikachu. Okay, 睇下先，睇個 pamphlet 先。So this is the February 2018 box. So we're getting the premium box. So what is there a theme for this month? Do they have a theme? Nope.
Pokemon?
Nope. I don't know. Okay, first thing. Oh, and I think all of them are not full size.
Sample?
No, not sample, but like usually they have like 20 small bags in one big bag. They just pick out those small bags and put in each box so that you can get more stuff, variety. 呢個係 Tapuri Mix Torio Soft Candy. Soft candy, maybe like a gummy. 唔係喎，唔係 gummy 嚟嘅。撳落去，哦 chewing candy. Are we gonna try a few of them?
Sure.
And this one is soda aji. Soda flavor. That is one. And then we have this. Daniel おじさん Choco Waffle. Chocolate waffle from Uncle Daniel. It looks yummy. I think I'll like this one. Another chocolate biscuit of cookie. Seiza choco. Tiramisu oishita. So it's just a chocolate cookie. Okay. Let's look at the Dragon Ball. Katogamu. They still mix things like this. It's been decades.
30 years. No, yeah.
Since when we were a kid.
30 plus years.
Yeah, there's a card inside and
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Those flat ones. I think it's soda aji. Those gum.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to open and see what
No,
card
no,
inside?
No.
Yeah. Marshmallow. Ume aji. Oh, I will like this one. I don't think you'll eat this one. The plum jam marshmallow. I want to eat this one now. 次、うまい棒。mini size. Oh, it's a Valentine's Day version. Choco うまい棒. Never seen that before. Oh, and this classic.
Bubble
Classic.
gum. Another bubble gum.
唔使講啦呢個。鬼も歩けば金棒チョコ。鬼うま。サクサククランチとチョコのおすさステーキ。哦，呢個係 it's like a jumbo pocky with some
yes,
crunch on
you
it.
can see right here.
With some crunch on it.
Peanuts.
呢啲多數都麻麻地。真係呢度。呢啲係嗰啲 soda candy. You like this candy? ラムネ。乾杯。乾杯ラムネ。嗰啲粉糖啊。Right? Pokemon 作ろう。咦？呢個係自己整嗰啲 jelly 嘅，好似我哋整 sushi 嗰啲咁樣。You can play with Annabelle with this one.
Yep.
Yep. So this one goes to Annabelle. It's a monthly giveaway. Another Pokemon.
See, I told you it's a Pokemon theme.
But there's Dragon Ball too. Hachimichu Ringo. Oh, this one is good. I like this one. This brand, you can get it from those vending machine for hyakuen. Most of the drink is hyakuen in Japan. Hachimichu Ringo. Honey apple drink. It's good. When it's chilled, it's good. Ooh, oh, I like this one. I like this combination. Chocolate chips. It's karubi. Oh, it's 기간 겐데.
Limited edition.
All girls love this term. 기간 겐데. 係嘛？노래누산 유아강 노래루 係咪嗰個 South America 會出名出現嗰個啊 ？Anyways, this one's gonna be
Interesting.
No, it's gonna be 美味しい。
Okay, we'll find out.
Same, 呢個 I like this one. Another 期間캔데. This one 我麻麻地啦 maybe give it to Annabelle as well. I think she'll like this one. 이치카 밀크 아직. 期間캔데. It's another limited edition. Oh, it used Hokkaido産牛乳。北海道産牛乳はい英語で。
Hokkaido made milk from Hokkaido.
Oh, birthday present for Annabelle.
So cheap.
Last one, Morinaga. Another big name for snacks. Angel pie. I think I heard about this one before, but I never tried this one. It seems like there's a marshmallow inside between a biscuit and then coated with chocolate. Sounds yummy. Another 기간 겐데. Yeah.
So how much do you think the whole box worth in value?
So this is hyakuen. This probably maybe nihyakuen. This is another nihyakuen. So this is 5 hyakuen there. I think this one, 呢個都200 yen, I think.
200 yen.
Yeah. So 700. Hyaku? I don't know. Hyaku. And then all this is like 20 yen, 10 yen.
So probably about 10.
呢個有張卡 Give it 100 yen too. And then all this together maybe 150 yen ぐらい
So less than $15?
Of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12 bucks, I guess. 12 bucks. 12 bucks.
Oh, they didn't say how
But
much.
if you subscribe for this box, it costs you 35 US per month. Oh, we missed one. We missed something. Hello Kitty, Ichigo Dechu Choco. So it's mini ball, strawberry flavor mini chocolate ball. This one we can give it to KK. That's all. 以上です。